If you love candles but hate when they barely smell, this one actually surprised me. Thanks to the brand for sending me this candle to try out and review honestly. I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and today I'm unboxing the Wild Berries Scented Candle. It came really well packaged, with foam wrapped around the glass to keep it secure and protected. The candle doesn't have a lid, but the scent was noticeable the moment I removed the wrap. It smells sweet and fruity, with just a touch of spice in the background. It's not too strong, but definitely noticeable, and it made me want to light it right away. The frosted glass feels solid in the hand and looks clean and minimal, something I definitely reuse later. Inside the wax, there's a single crystal placed slightly to the side of the wick, which gives the candle a simple but elegant touch. I lit it to see how it would burn, and the scent started to fill the space pretty quickly. I haven't burned it for hours yet since I'm just opening it now, but so far the fragrance holds up nicely. The flame stayed steady, there was no smoke, and the wick remained centered, which I always check, especially when using candles in smaller rooms. So far, this candle makes a great first impression with a fragrance that stands out and a design that fits anywhere in the house.